Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. So in today's video we'll see how to work this kind of design using some long beads and some flat round beads. So this design is really interesting. Since the pallu is pink in color, I am using a contrast color which is the body color in blue shade, and I have taken about 8 strands in a normal hemming or sewing needle. With 8 strands and 1 little finger distance, I have pierced the needle from the top to the bottom and left about 5 to 6 inches long thread, and I have trimmed it. So once you trim it, you will have to knot it. Place the knot very close to the zigzag and make sure the knot is not loose. And then we are going to split the entire bunch into equal halves. Split it as even as possible, and then we are going to apply a little fabric glue. The reason we are applying fabric glue is just to make it easy for the beads to slide in. So this is one method you can use to add some beads. If you're not comfortable using the glue, then you can use some alternate method. That the only purpose is to make it easy for the beads to go in. So that is the reason I generally use this method, but if something else works for you, you can follow that method. So I'm adding one long bead on either sides. So we have split the thread into half, and I'm adding one bead each on both the sides, and then I have inserted a flower bead, and then we'll have to pass it like crisscross and then knot it. So add the bead into the first thread and from the opposite side pass the other thread and then place a knot. So this is how the first step is worked from the starting till the end of the pallu. It is better we use a contrast color in the first step, just so that the color stands out. Now in case if we use the same color as the pallu, then the knots might not even be visible. So that is the reason I always prefer using the opposite color of the pallu while working my first line. So this is how you will continue working till the end. How I prefer working is I really focus on finishing the first step from the start till the end. Once I finish the first step, I will then prepare the Saree Kuchu. Let the glue dry. I also make sure I iron all the bunches properly, and then I will start adding the bunches. So this is the method I follow. A few people want to finish it then and there. So whatever works for you, you can follow that rhythm or step. So this is how you will have to crisscross this flat bead. Now the shape of the long bead that we have added looks like a wheat grain. So generally it is referred to as wheat beads. I'm not really sure if this is available in all parts, but locally that is what we call it, wheat bead, or in our local language here it is called as godi bead. So you can just source them locally in any store around you. And the distance between the two tassels I have maintained is 1 little finger distance, because I wanted the tassels to be a little close and not too scattered. And I have also added 2 colors, I mean pink and blue, which is of course the color in the pallu, and the other one is the color of the body of the sari. But instead of doing an alternate way, I have added 2 in pink and 2 in blue. So if you want to increase this number, you can do so, or if you want to keep it alternate, you can do so as well. I just like to try different variations and check how the outcome is. So I always tend to play with colors, so you can also try that. And while we do that, we tend to learn so much in the process. So this is my last bead I'm adding in the pallu. So once this is done, I will then start adding the tassels. So as you can see, I already have two colors ready, and just piercing it above the knot. So while doing this step, make sure the glue is dried very well. So it is always better to prepare the kuchu beforehand. Let the glue dry for at least 20 to 30 minutes so that this step becomes easy for us. And then using two strands of antique gold zari in a normal sewing needle, I'm going to tie it and pass the needle below the zari and then trim it. Now the length of the tassel is completely up to you. If you are someone who really likes a long length of tassels, you can do so. But I personally feel the short length looks cute, and other reason being, we have already added this long bead, which actually adds to the length. If the kuchu is also long, then it might end up being way too long, and not sure how that looks, but you can definitely give it a try if you are fond of long tassels. So next I'm adding the pink color in the exact same way. Do let me know if any of you have tried this kind of design and how it has turned out. I would definitely look forward for some comments from you guys. And if you are comfortable in Kannada language, I will be posting the videos with Kannada voiceover in my Knotty Threadz Kannada channel. So please head over to that channel and check out the videos with Kannada explanation. It's always better to prepare a long length of tassel so that we have enough thread to finish the sari. So by now most of you might be wondering, the round flower beads that I have added are like not straight, and they are kind of moving up and down, and that obviously does not look good, right? So what I will be doing is fixing them with a little bit of fabric glue, and this is how it looks before I fixed it with the fabric glue. You could see the look. The reason I'm adding this clip now is to let you guys see the difference of how it looks before and after the glue. So these traditional designs actually look very good on any kanchi pattu sarees. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So here is a part where I'm adding a very little, like a drop of glue, and then just trying to fix the base of this flower bead. So once it is dry, it will stay straight like this and it will not move. So this is the look, or I would say this is the final look of this design, and I'm sure most of you would like it. So do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and keep sharing our videos with your friends. If someone is watching without subscribing, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.